Big Paul.
K-pop for life coming back at you. And yes, the rumors are true. We have returned.
The whispers you have been hearing in dark alleys.
We have been to Underverse and returned the holy half-dead.
We would have the cool eyes, but they ran out of.
Yeah. There wasn't anybody who could shine our eyes for a pack of menthol cools.
They didn't have any good Amazon Prime deals on
Bro.
that, so we just decided.
There's like 2 people out there that get that fucking reference. But hey, we are back. If you're not new, if you're new to the channel, or if you're an oldie to the channel and you've been around for a minute, we have a new channel. So this is the old one. If you're watching on the old one, and if you're not, welcome to the new one. It's also called K-pop for life. The logo is different. We're going to be posting videos on both, but for this channel, there's only going to get 1 post for every 2 to 3 videos we post on the other one. So don't be lazy. Click the button. The link will be in the description below. Come join us on the other K-pop for life, the new and improved, because this channel is dead according to the algorithm and the person I talked to at YouTube.
Yep.
So, without further ado, we're going to do the new G-Idle song. And if you are interested in, what happened to us, where we went, and a bunch of other content, over 1,000 videos that you haven't seen on YouTube, come over to patreon.com/K-pop4life. All that content is there, and there will be a whole bunch more content going up soon. Also a great community, Discord, etc., etc. So this is the new G-Idle, though. And G-Idle is like Red Velvet to me. That love-hate relationship, bro.
Yeah.
That love-hate relationship. You just sounded like those 2 black conservative twins. Yeah, got a good show for y'all.
No, dude, I love the Hodge twins. Yeah.
But what's it called? So yeah, I have a love-hate relationship with them. Sometimes their music is just like yes, and sometimes it's like that is the worst shit I have ever heard, and everybody else loves it for some reason. So
Yeah, I probably dislike more of their music than I like, honestly. So.
I would say at this point, yeah, their earlier stuff for me is where it's at, though. But
this is a cool spot that you paused it at, though. That looks dope.
Yuki as the husk of life
Hell
is
yeah.
always amazing.
Hell yeah.
So I'm just saying. But anyway, let's jump into it. It's a summary video. Oh, this is the video with all the controversy I heard about.
This controversy?
Yeah, because they showed too much skin or something.
You mean grown-ass women at a beach in bikinis that people see all the fucking time they're going to freak out about because it's on YouTube?
Maybe there's more to it. We'll find out. That's the same stage from Boogie Up.
Probably filmed at the same spot. I mean, they're on Jeju.
No, it is the same spot.
I'm not hating it right now.
Me neither. The husk.
Get it, Yuki. This sounds like a
50s
Laboom.
doo-wop kind
Dude, this
of
sounds
vibe.
like a
It does sound like a
Laboom
Laboom song. Sugar, sugar, right? That's what it sounds like.
Sugar, sugar.
Is this a performance video? The vocals
I'm
almost sound
guessing
live.
so.
HONK, HONK, hit the Klaxon.
Nah, man. Nah, nah. No. Did she just say
Honk, honk, hit the clutch.
hit the clutch?
I don't know why it was funny, but it was funny.
I think it's because, one, she said honk honk right around her bosom. Like, dude, maybe I get why there's controversy now. Oh,
You ready?
that made my stomach hurt. Hold on.
We'll roll it back to the honk honk.
Oh, please do. Come on, hit me with it.
HONK, HONK, hit the Klaxon.
Oh, I love you.
HONK, HONK, hit the Klaxon.
It sounds better when the husk says it. It's a husky honk honk.
I like that little squeak she did in her voice right there. Keep doing the sugar sugar dance.
Dude, I'm telling you, it works.
Wow, they leaned into the honk.
I'm here for
They
it.
leaned heavy.
I'm here for it, bro. Hey, girls, you keep telling people to honk honk.
Like random car noises. Bruh.
Oh, I have a newfound respect for G.I.L. This is my new favorite summer song. I am going to honk honk and put the clutch in so hard.
Next time I make love to my wife. I will honk honk and put the clutch in.
Oh my gosh,
Bruh.
bro.
Holy
shit.
A little bit of a disservice to the Cosmic Girls Boogie Upstage there. I'm just saying.
Oh my gosh. Something magical happened on that stage. There's like a goose in the disc and going, somebody calling my ass. Just honk honk.
I just don't get it, but whatever. How many views does this have? It either has a ton or a little. It's just a performance video, though. So.
Oh my gosh. Dude, 8.53 million subscribers.
That's
Where's
their
the
sub.
where's
Hold
the
on.
view?
Let me look up the actual video here. So the actual views on music has 22 million. That makes more sense. Okay.
Dude, that's
so
still a lot.
that was a performance video then.
That's a lot.
But in 8 days, yeah, that's decent. So
Oh my gosh.
that was funny. I needed that laugh.
Bro.
Did I hate the song? No.
Nah.
Was it kind of dumb?
Yeah.
Yes.
But was it like dumb in a good way?
Yes.
And did they lean into that shit and not give a fuck?
I feel like
dude, I respect them.
I know that Yuki and Minnie both speak English. So they probably came in halfway through with some paid, person that's like, what's the word? Like a co-op or something that's
a
there to
collaborator.
support the English, being used. Like, is
Oh,
it being used
translator.
properly? Did anybody use a word that's going to piss off all the weirdos on the left who get mad about everything? Maybe. But I think what happened was
Fuck that.
they
You
got
see
into
worse
that,
shit.
and then somebody was like, man, you guys really leaned into that honk.
Wait,
and then
wait.
Minnie and Yuki were like, you know what? We're going to lean even more into the honk.
Hell yeah, dude. Dude, they leaned into that shit like a fucking linebacker.
Dude.
Like, okay, so hold up. Wait. If that was a dance version, then the music video is what got all the hate, right?
I
Or
don't
the
know.
controversy
I
stuff?
don't know. But now we have to watch it. We're going to have like a 35-minute reaction video of us giggling like bitches.
Oh my god. I think that was the perfect video to like make us just like get our happiness up.
Minnie got a damn Jerry curl in the back seat, bro.
Yes, you do.
Just let your soul glow. Just let it shine through. Just let your soul glow, baby. Feeling oh so silky smooth. Just let it shine through. Just let your soul glow.
Just let your soul glow, baby. Feeling oh so silky smooth. Just let it shine through you. Ooh, that boy good. He good.
Dude, it even has like a Lionheart feel to it.
Does yes, Lionheart, bro. Yes. That 50s kind of vibe.
Lionheart mixed with Sugar Sugar. That's what I'm getting.
That dude did not have a song he was dancing to. They just B-rolled that.
You know, I will say, wait, I gotta wait. Hold on. They gonna do it.
Are they in Australia? That looks like the Opera House. The Sydney Opera House back there.
Okay, so I will say, like, the video makes it a little bit better because they're in traffic, so it makes sense.
Yes. Okay.
When you-
I
when
wasn't
you-
even thinking about that.
When you
but-
on a beach and you just saying honk honk, like,
Oh, I thought from the thumbnail, I thought they did a bad job editing around her head, or they meant it white, but she has like a shawl on or some shit. From the thumbnail on the video. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did all the weirdos freak out about braid jet and hairstyle belonging to only certain people?
when really it doesn't. Fuck it, I like the song.
I do too. Now that I've heard it a second time too, I vibe it more. The music video makes it better too, for sure.
And to any of you little bitches that had a problem with this song, fuck off.
I wanted to interview. Yeah, 나의 완벽한 the true lover. Hey, I love you. I wanted to interview. Yeah, 나의 완벽한 the true lover.
It's a damn shame all the Yuki's recent solo stuff was awful, because I really like Yuki.
Same.
She's hilarious.
I love her voice.
I feel like this is the same area they shot Not Today BTS video.
Honk, honk, hit the Klaxon.
You know, somebody who owns that classic car is like, you guys aren't going to go above 5 miles an hour in the sand, right? Oh, no, not at all. And then they just like fucking ripped through it, destroying the undercarriage. And
First
paint.
thing I'm doing, if it's insured by the production company, I'm Dukes of Hazzard sliding across that bitch. I'm coming, Daisy.
Dude, you do that
Those
shit when
little
you go to
studs
do it,
just tear a fucking hole across the hood.
then you get stuck halfway. You have to like scoot and slam on it.
Just roll out the front and just walk away. You failed. It was good though. It was better the second time.
Hell yeah.
The music video was better than the performance video too,
Yeah.
for sure.
It made more sense.
Because it
too.
made more sense, bro.
Maybe we should have started here.
I saw it like a week ago because we're behind on this, and I fucking stuck it in to watch later and didn't even think about
Oh
looking
my
for the music
gosh.
video. But let us know what you guys thought in the comments below. We look forward to all your hate as usual on this one and the new channel. We would not expect it any other way because, I mean, it's never been any other way. So,
I mean, this is what I think of your hate.
if you like people that are honest, you want honest content and not people that blow smoke up your ass, follow us on patreon.com/kpopforlife. Follow our channel, and we'll always give you what we think, why we think it, and we'll be honest, because that's what we do. Everybody, so many of these other reactors, and they fake shit because they think these fucking idols and everybody are gonna like watch them and like they're gonna get. No, they don't, and they don't care. And if they do,
Well, that-
I want you to know your music sucks or if it's good from my heart.
Well, that and they're all probably like people pleasers and afraid of angering anybody and getting any kind of criticism put against them because it just shatters their whole world.
Yep. Anyway, keep on popping, K-Poppers. Remember, it's not a trend.
It's a lifestyle, y'all.
Deuce.